Hi everyone and welcome to Web Easy Step Tutorials. These tutorials about how to build voting Ajax system with codeigniter. First step, we will learn how to install this script. Then we will learn how to use it. And finally, we will learn how it built. Let's go to the first step. The installation. First, extract downloaded zip file into the root. Then rename it to codeigniter-voting and create demo database. Go to application tables path and import tables into this directory. Finally, go to this link locally. Okay, link in the bottom of the article. Download repository. Click here. Download started. Download finished. Go to the htdocs, extract the file here, after finished rename it as codeigniter-voting. okay, I am previously installed it here. Okay, so I don't want this folder. Okay, after this you can go to phpMyAdmin to create your database. As you see here, I created demo database. If we open this database, you will see CI sessions. This a default table. You can use it to run codeigniter if you use sessions. Then CI voting. Here we will restore our votes. This is the vote title. Then from A to J, you will store your choices. Every single character means field or a choice. Choice number 1, choice number 2, choice number 3. This is dev state, which means activate or deactivate. If you click on CI voting counter, you can see how many person vote for this vote. Voting ID means foreign key for the primary key that come from CI voting. And then you can see the column, the field, the choice, whatever you can name it, and the value, and the visitor IB who voting on this vote. Then come back to the project after installation and import tables. You can see projects like this. Here we put two controllers, admin voting to manage backend and voting controller to manage front end. If we go to admin voting, we can see the votes list, create function, edit function, active vote, deactive vote. Okay, let's see here. Localhost, and codeigniter voting. Let's see. To see admin, as we see here, admin voting. Go to admin voting. This is the dashboard. Let's remove this. Click here to remove. Okay. Voting successfully removed. No votes available. Let's create new one. But before that, votes list from admin voting. Look here. This is the votes list. Here we get all votes. And then paste it to votes list in the content view. If you look here, content views, and you can see votes list. If we click here, control and click to see this model, we go to voting model, where we can find this model. Go to models and voting models. You can see get votes. We get all votes from CI voting, the table CI voting, order by ID, and return as result array. Okay, let's create, add new vote. Let's add new vote. Do you like web easy step tutorials? For sure. Yes. You can add in the page. Click plus. No. And I don't know. Okay, create vote. Vote successfully created. Okay, if we go to show votes, to show the vote, sorry, there is no votes. Why? Because it is disabled, deactivated. Click here to see. One new activated. Okay, click here. Yes, you see the vote right now. Okay, let's go to admin voting and see what after this. After see votes list, create to create or add new vote. Here we can, here we put a validate to the title. For sure you can't post new vote without title. Here we pass the fields or columns or choices, and then go and then pass fields to this function. So what is the job for this function? Array combine 2. What is their job? Their job to remove empty choices and order every choices by characters from A to Z. After this, we pass the data, ordered data, to function create. Let's see function create. Here, it will take the array with choices and loop to insert in CI voting by key and value, choice and its value. If you click add vote, you will see the vote title and choices. Every choice, if you click inspect, you will see its name. It will be like this: input and fields. Every field has its value and its key. This is A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. The maximum is from A to G. To calculate 10 choices only, it will be arranged from A to J, and this will be stored into CI voting. Okay, like we told you before, from A to J. So every character has the key and the value. The key will be the character A or B or C or whatever, and the value will be, like we see before, yes or no or I don't know. This is the value for the choices. So if you click show votes here, you will notice, inspect, you'll notice what I told you here. See with me. In this input, you will see the value A and yes. A will be the key, yes will be the value. Here also, B will be the key and no will be the value. All this array will be sent if you click vote now, sent it by Ajax, and go to here function, and in the admin it will be sent to admin voting and create function. Then fields will store in the fields, as you see here. We'll send with fields as array and in this post. Then fields will be as a parameter in array campaign 2. Let's see. First step, we will filter this array from empty choices, and then we will match every field with the range from A to Z. Then combine as one array and return it. After return it, it will be go as one array to create function. Array function will take it and make for each to set the value Finally, we will insert to CI voting table. The next step is to make update for this value. Let's return to vote lists and see what happened. If we click on this pencil to edit, you see yes, no, I don't know, and another empty field. If you need, you can also increase or decrease these fields. Let's make a test. Yes, no, I don't know, whatever. Let's test what happened. Go here to admin voting and see what if we want to edit this value. Let's go here, yes, to see what happened. Print these values. Print these values, okay. Print fields that come from the edit, okay, and click edit vote. Yes, no, I don't know, whatever. This is the array. Before, add the index from A to Z. See what happened after pass these values to array combine 2. See what happened. Click here and let's test. It will filter and add from A, B, C, D. It will rearrange the array with the character and remove 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 index. Another example. What if we remove this value and post empty values? Let's send and see what happened. Let's print fields. Edit vote. Oh, there is empty values and from 0 to 5. If we go to order data and make refresh, it will remove the empty data and rearrange with the index with from A, B, C. Okay, then we will update, send order data and the ID for this vote. Refresh. Okay, come back. After this, we have the remove function. When you click here, see the link. When click on remove, you will see the link in the bottom. Remove 91. If we click, do you want to delete? Okay, it will delete. Let's cancel right now. Active vote, deactive vote. You can deactive, as you see in the bottom, deactive vote. If you click, it will be deactivated. Also, it will be activated. This is the admin voting. Let's see the voting controller. we have index with redirect to vote page. In the vote page we get one active, just one active vote. If we have 10, 100 or whatever votes, it will display just one active vote. Let's click to see. If we click here, we go to the voting counter model. You can go from here also. Okay, click. It will search on the only active vote. Return as a row. Okay, click, close this controller. Then get all columns activate. The columns or the fields or the choices that related to this vote. Click here to see. It will select all choices from A to G, as we talked before, from CI voting that related to the activated vote. Then make array filter and pass it to vote page in the content folder in the views, content, and vote page. Vote page. If you open, you will see the vote, and before that you can see above this script, simple script to send the voting by Ajax. It will take the vote ID and the columns and the data in the columns and send it to voted function in the voting controller. And then if post is successfully has been done, it will return the data in the vote results div. Let's see, vote results. It will be hidden in the first with display none, and then we will return data into this div here. Let's make new vote to test. Show votes and click. Did you like web step tutorials? Click yes. But before this, inspect. Let's inspect to see what happened behind the scene. Yes, click yes. Vote. Voting posted by Ajax. Vote counter 100 yes. If we go again and choose no, what happened? It is the same result. Go to the database to see what happened in the CI voting counter. It is only one single vote. Okay, turn back, voting, and this is the voted function which called by Ajax. This will take the IP address input when vote has been done. Then this will get the vote columns. If not empty columns, it will check if this IP in the database or not. Let's see. It will take two parameters, the ID for the vote and the IP. It will check CI voting counter and select where v voting ID equal the ID, and then check v voting visitor IP by the IP. If there is no rows or not found, it will return true, else it will return as false. So if found IP is empty, it will add vote and display results in vote result current in this directory content vote result current, else it will display the result and don't add anything. That's it. And before I finished, you can test this script before download if you go to this link in webeasystep.com. You can test backend and front end demo from here. Thank you for watching.